Savitri, Book 2, Canto 7, The Descent into Night, page number 202. A mind absolved from life, made calm to know, a heart divorced from the blindness and the pain, the seal of tears, the bond of ignorance. He turned to find that wide world failures cause. Away he looked from nature's visible face and sent his gaze into the viewless vast, the formidable unknown infinity, asleep behind the endless coil of things that carries the universe in its timeless breath, and the ripples of its being are our lives. The walls are built by its unconscious breath, and matter and mind are its figure or its powers. Our waking thoughts, the output of its dreams. The veil was rent that covers nature's depth. He saw the fount of the world's lasting pain and the mouth of the black pit of ignorance. The evil guarded at the roots of life raised off its head and looked into his eyes. On a dim bank where dies subjective space, from a stark ridge overlooking all that is, a tenebrous awakened nescience, her wide blank eyes wondering at time and form, stare at the inventions of the living void and the abyss whence our beginning rose. Behind appear a grey carved mask of night, watching the birth of all created things, a hidden presence conscious of its force, a vague and lurking presence everywhere, a contrary doom that threatens all things made, a death figuring as the dark seed of life, seemed to engender and to slay the world, seemed to engender and to slay the world. Om Savitri, Om Savitri, Om Savitri.